Everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this forenoon on Thursday. The snow is really cranking in the greater Boston area. It's going to be a very wild afternoon. I want to talk about some snowfall amounts. Portions of the Berkshires anywhere from 4 to 7 inches of snow. Warren, 4.8, a little closer to home. Burville, Rhode Island, 4.5. Up to 5 inches of snow just south of Providence, and it continues to crank. Needless to say, if you don't have to drive this afternoon, don't. Let's get into it and look at the weather headline. Obviously, a major snowstorm this afternoon. This is going to happen within about the next 7 to 8 hours. We're going to get over a foot of snow in Boston, a very wild afternoon. Cold and windy Friday, maybe a touch of light snow on Saturday. We're tracking the potential for another storm here Sunday and Monday, but of course the computer models don't agree. I'm working on that for you. Watches and warnings. We are under a winter storm warning in pink until 8 o'clock tonight. A blizzard warning from Hull all the way down to Plymouth, Cape Cod, and the islands, even though it's raining there as of midday. That's going to flip to snow. Latest surface map shows an intensifying area of low pressure a couple hundred miles east of Nantucket, southwest of Nantucket. The storm will continue to explode, moving quickly to the northeast. It should be east of us by about 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. That's when the snow is going to be over. And speaking of the snow, this is the latest radar loop as of about 11 o'clock this morning, 11:30. So look at the timestamp here. You see heavy elements of precipitation approaching the Cape. It's been raining on the Cape this morning, but let me tell you, it's going to flip to snow. Heavy bands of snow coming up into the greater Boston area. So as we look at the forecast for the balance of the day, snow becoming heavy, windy, and cold. Temperatures will continue to fall back in the low 20s as winds freshen from the north-northeast at 20 to 40 miles an hour, creating near whiteout conditions. With lots of blowing and drifting. Could even be some thunder, but again, it's done early this evening, and then overnight, partially clear. Skies will develop windy, bitter cold. Temps falling into the single numbers, wind chills below zero. Now, here's your 5-day forecast, starting with tomorrow. Partly sunny, windy, and cold near 23. Saturday, cloudy, maybe a touch of light snow, 1 to 3 inches possible. It'll be near freezing. Sunday, cloudy. There could be snow or rain changing to snow late in the day and at night. That could continue into early Monday morning, depending on where that second storm develops. Now, if it develops off to the east-northeast of Boston, all the action is going to be north of us. But if it forms to the east-southeast of Boston, we could tap some of that intensification, and we could have some accumulating snow. Now, of course, we're going to be here throughout the day, and we'll keep you posted. But for now, I'm Mark Rosenthal. Please stay tuned.